kind of scared I ruined my hair right now. But we'll see. Maybe it turns out beautiful and I look gorge and everybody thinks that I went like to a cool hairdresser while in fact I just did it to myself at home like a pro. I have been transitioning my hair from dark hair to light hair. I'll pop them into the cards. You'll see how many times I've changed my hair color. I've tried balayage, I've tried ombre, I've tried to darken it black, and I'm trying to transition to a blonde somehow, and I'm taking it little by little. So the bottom part is ombre, it's like dark blonde to brunette, and I thought I would add a little bit of highlights so to lift it up a little. So I'm going to be trying cap highlights. So let's get started. Maybe I regret this, I don't know, we're going to see. And then I'm gonna use the cap. And now look like aliens. This comes already with this thing. I think I'll absolutely do the getting my hair out near 2 mirrors there, and I'm not gonna film it. So I'm gonna get my hair out with this thing from the holes and come back to you. So this took super long. I don't think it looks perfect, but at that stage, you know, I'm like, effing it. I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna finish it. It's pretty late at night. I wanna get done with this, shower, have gorgeous blonder hair. I'm gonna be mixing 1 part powder. And protect my bun. So right now I protect the bun. We can play around as we want. I'm going to wear the gloves. We're gonna section it. 30 minutes and I'll be back. I'm not sure if you can see, but I'm ready. I think I'll go wash this off and come for the beautiful show with taking this off. Then I'm going to do a rinsage to tone my hair entirely. You've seen in the beginning it was brassy, so this is going to give it just like an all over toning. I think I ruined my hair. These lines here completely bleeded. Look at these lines. Look. I have dark dye. I'm going to apply it to my roots. I applied to my roots some blue black dye to save the day. Don't repeat. Go to a hair salon, stop doing what I just did. Just don't do it. Don't fucking do it. So I'm in the middle of root retouching. Yesterday I had to sleep. I just couldn't continue doing this. I'm doing some Chatham brown root touch up to blend because I've very quickly yesterday put the blue black here, which covered those spots because I panicked from them. But the blue black is too bright and I wanted to blend it to brown to blonde so that it's not like too bad to accept. And that's what I'm doing. I'm sectioning my hair from the front like this, and I'm going through it and then combing through. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to put a hair mask on intensive to kind of retrieve the damage. I finished root shadowing. I don't know if you can see, you guys, my hair right now is fully blended. Excuse my forehead, that's from yesterday's panic and trying to fix. I think I'm happy with the results so far. Like, I can tell that it looks blended and my hair will come out better, and the highlights just are higher, so my hair blendability. Cap highlights I would have maybe teased my hair before putting it on so that it heightens my hair a little bit from the roots, so that it already creates that shadow effect on the roots. So this is like the biggest mistake I've done, was letting the color bleed. The second mistake I've done was to go right away ham with the black. Although I'm not mad at it, maybe if I've started with the brown it would have looked nicer. I am not regretting it. I wanted to do this. I take responsibility for this. Okay, so I wanted to update you. I've done root shading, so I still have them going on, the highlights, but I've went from very black, which as I told you was an impulse I've done, and then I faded it to medium brown, and then it goes to a blondish hair color. I toned it a bit, but it needs a little bit more toning. It blended well the back of my hair, because before I had the ombre, then right away, like, there was a blend, but it wasn't such a smooth blend like now. Now it has a little bit of more interest, and I think when my hair grows out as well a little bit, it's gonna look even better. I hope you enjoyed that video and you took something out of it, or you go to a professional, which is like always the best case, or the best thing you could do. I'll see you in my next video. Toodles!